Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. So today you guys, I haven't been uploading for a while. I just do like a couple of shorts. So I know you can see these bags behind me here. I am packing, I am moving to a different apartment. So I am a bit busy getting all my stuff together, so that's why I am not posting. So, today I want to do a simple natural eyes because you guys, it's been a while. So, I want to just say if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video you can be notified. So I'll already do my foundation and I have this affordable Canadian eyeshadow here from Quad. It's a Canadian brand, you guys. I remember years ago when I just come here, I always bought these this eyeshadow. So now I am going to start by doing just a simple natural eye to go out. So I am gonna go into this color right here, which is, you can see this color, it's a matte shade, and I am just going to apply it to my lid and the whole of my eyes, you guys. So how are you guys doing? Otherwise, as I said, I cannot really get to really upload because I have so much things in my home. I am going to show you um, the amount of things that I already packed, not the item, but the boxes that are in my house. So it's a little bit busy for me to really have time to pack, and sometimes I'm not even feeling that well, you know. One of the thing about moving is really not, it's very hard when you're moving and you have to get all your things together and do pack, and what you don't want you do throw it out. Sometimes you don't even know you have so many things until when you start to pack you find out that you have all these things in your home. So that is what happening to me right now. I live here for a long time, and I hardly throw anything. Now I'm packing, I have to be like throwing out stuff. So you guys, so I am going to blend this color that I just put on my lid here, blend it out, and then, you know, I am going to go, I want to go into this color right here. Right here, I want to go into this color, and I am just going to just catch it over my crease here. And just blend it out here. Yes, as I was saying, you know, it's hard. Sometimes you don't even think about throwing out things until when you're moving, then you start to really throw out things, and that's what happened to me. I do throw things out, but not often. Like, you know, you live in this country and you gather all these different things in your home, and then it's really hard for you to throw. So guys, I'm gonna go back into this shade right here, this really pretty brown, and I am just going to catch it on my outer corner of my eyes. I'm not going to bring it in my inner tear duct. I'm just going to do it at the outer corner of my eyes. Now I am going to go into this color, which is this one here, to blend out the harsh edges of my eyes. And as I said, this eyeshadow is a Canadian brand. I don't know if you ever heard about this. Yes, so I was talking about packing. So I have been packing for the past couple of weeks, and I still haven't reached anywhere in my packing as yet, you guys. So I am still packing. I still have a month left to go and finish packing here. um the apartment that I'm getting, it's more smaller than this, so I am downsizing some of my stuff that I have in my home because I really have a lot of stuff. So let's go into this color right here, this silver looking color right here, and I am just gonna tap this on my lid here. So it's very hard right now for me. I just have to, certain amount of clothes that I am going to wear, I just have to just put them one side for now. I still haven't packed the whole of my clothes in my closet yet, but those are clothes that I am going to pack very soon. So I have all these cardboard box behind me with a lot of my stuff in it, and I'm doing good so far packing. Just that I don't do it every day because sometimes I'm not in the mood to really pack anything. I mostly do it on a weekend, or but the most important thing that I packed up most of my makeup. So I just keep like makeup that I won't be using right now in my makeup vanity right beside me here. So if I'm going out and I want to put on a small amount of makeup, I can, but I pack most of my makeup away, you guys. So that is what happened here. So I am blending this eyeshadow here, and I'm using this brush from Murphy, and I'm blending out the color that I put here. So I am going to go back into this color right here, this one here, and I'm just gonna put some the outer corner of my eyes. It's a bit hot today. Yeah, I'm gonna put some at the outer corner of my eyes to catch this really nice color that I had on the lid. So that's what happened, you guys. That's why I'm not really on YouTube that much, and even when I move, it's gonna take me a while to pack out things, but I'll try and do whatever video I can and short that I can. I am going to do a short to show you how my living room look right now, because moving is not fun. Moving is a lot of work to do. So I am going to you can see I'm sweating here. I am going to really blend out this color here. So guys, this is my final simple natural look. I am going to step out for a while. So this is my look from this core palette from Canada. As I said, it's a Canadian brand. So this is how it looks. I just put on some mascara because I also pack away my lashes. So this is the mascara that I use for today from Dalton. This is what I use on my lash, you guys. So let's show you the eyeshadow here. So these are the color in this eyeshadow. So I use quite a bit from this. Never have a fallout from it. I use this one here, and I also use this one. I use this one. I also use this one here, this one, and this one right here. And then I also put this on just my lid and my inner tear duct. So these are some of the swatches of the eyeshadow palette, you guys, from this eyeshadow palette. These are some of the swatches, the color that I swatched on the back of my hand here. You can see, and these have quite a few matte in it. So let's do this mustard yellow. This one is a bit powdery and chunky, you can see, but they are not a bad eyeshadow. They are not high end. They do sometime a bit on the high price, but then sometimes you can get them on sale. Like this one is, it was on sale, so this is how it looks. I love this color here, it's really beautiful. And also this brown color, it is really of a nice color. It's also a matte, you can see. And then this one also, I also use this, which is beautiful. And then I use this one to really blend in the harsh edges over my brow bone. But overall, I just want to say thank you so much, you guys. As I said, I'm packing, I'm a bit busy, so don't look forward for any video very often until when I finish pack and I move. Then I will try to have time. I know I'm not gonna able to pack out everything one time, but I'll try and do my best. Thank you so much again. God bless you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do subscribe to the channel. Turn on notification bell, like when I upload a video you can be notified. These things behind me, you guys, don't pay them any mind. These are stuff that I'm packing. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Always remember, show kindness and love yourself. And I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.